Today in this video, we're going to show you how to set up the Mailingboss Autoresponder. We're going to set up a simple list, a simple sequence, and a simple campaign. So first of all, on the Builder All home screen, under Mailingboss Autoresponder, you can click Enter. If you don't see this here, go to Apps, Email and Engagement, and Mailingboss Autoresponder. Go ahead and click that. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to create a subscriber list. I already have some things set up here, and we're going to use a fictional course called Amy's Dog Training. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this, and under Name, I'm going to click Paste. Same thing for the display name, and then I'm going to copy the description and hit Continue. Now when this page pops up, you see we have our name, display name, and the description we just placed in. Under opt-in, you want to keep it at double. So this means when a new subscriber gets your email, they have to click a link and opt in and give permission to you to send emails to them. You always want to keep this set up as double opt-in. Builderall doesn't like the single opt-in, and quite frankly, it's going to make your list much higher quality because people actually want to receive your information. So, however, under opt-out, I would choose single opt-out. You want to make it as easy as possible for them to opt out and not receive your emails anymore if they don't want to get them anymore. So, under tags, we're going to click New, which I've already done, and this just pops up and shows that each subscriber is a new subscriber. Click Next, and as you can see here, it says your form has been successfully saved. So now what we want to do is the email field is already going to show up under the form, but we also want their first name. So we click Create First Name, and then we go all the way down and Save Changes. Now we want to edit both those fields. So go up here under Fields, it should say To, click that, and under Email, it should say Required. And we want this set to the second option. Now 0 is always your first option, and 1 is your second option. It's a little confusing at first, but you'll get the hang of it. So under Email, Required Yes, and click 1. And the first name, we want Required, so click Yes. And we want this set to 0, which it already is. Save Changes. And now when you scroll down on this new screen, you should see first name, required, and the first one, or 0, email, also required, and 1. Okay, now after we made the list, we're going to go to campaign up here, click email sequence, and we're going to go down to our cheat sheet here, and it's our email sequence right here under Amy. Want to paste. Don't have to worry about a filter right now. We click create new, place that same thing in, and we want to choose a list, and we just created a list, new dog training subscribers. Click that, and don't have to worry about segments. And then keep this to send to future subscribers only. The first email is going to be the double opt-in confirmation. So save and edit sequence. And here's your first email in the sequence. We're going to send a total of 4 emails, one on day 0, or right after they subscribe. And that's going to be the one where they have to confirm their email. So as you can see up here, the campaign name is the first email. We want to go ahead and copy here, Amy's Dog Training Campaign. It helps to label everything what it is, so campaign or list or sequence. Going to paste. And our subject, I've already written this out, so you can see day 0, sent right after name and email is given. And the subject is thank you, you're in. Just need to confirm your email. I'm going to copy that. I'm going to paste in here. And this is the body of the text. This is the unsubscribe link, and this is your address. You need to have an address on file and in your emails so the customers can send email inquiries. And by law, you have to have an address here that you can receive emails from. So it can be your address, or it can be a PO box, or a virtual office, just as long as you can actually receive email there. So we're going to click on the body of the text right here. We're going to copy, go back to our cheat sheet, and as you can see, it reads hello F name. Now these are tags. The customer's name will be replaced here, so it'll be customized to them. So just make sure that you have the F name in the beginning if you want to address them by their name. Click here and copy the body that I have already pre-made, and we're going to paste. And as you can see, we have it all set up. Now here's the link to confirm their email, and I'm just going to place a generic link for now. It's my training website, and we're not going to place the actual text. If we place the text, it would just replace it. What we want to do is we want to link this. So we highlight it, go up to the top bar right here under link, and then we paste the link inside here. Click the green check mark, and as you can see, it's going to be highlighted and clickable. So after we make our first email, we're going to go down to the bottom and hit done. And there it is, our very first email under our new campaign with our subject line and our body as well as our link. So now we're going to keep setting up our other emails. And what we want to do is keep this at 0 days. So they're going to get this as soon as they subscribe. And we want to activate it. So click activate. And now you see the option is pause. That means it's not paused, it's active. So what we can do now is go down to done. We'll go to add email. And as you can see, it's under Amy's Dog Training Campaign. We'll go down to our other email, So this is day 0, when we just did. We're going to wait 2 days for the next email so we don't overload them with information and make it so they unsubscribe. So I'm going to click the pre-made subject I have set up. I'm going to double click. I'm going to highlight that. Go down to the body. I'm going to copy, paste. And as you can see, I changed it up a little bit. Instead of saying hello, I hit hi there. Of course, F name is still there because I want to address them by their real name. And this email is going to give value. So as you can see, it says if you're a dog owner, chances are you've experienced it. You've come home from a long day at work, only to find your house is in ruins. While it may be tempting to lose your temper, your dog may be crying out for help. We've recently published a blog post on our website explaining the top 10 reasons dogs go wild when you're not at home. And then we can link them with a free blog post, a free video, or a quiz. And it just keeps the subscriber engaged and keeps them knowing you're not just there to sell them stuff all the time. So right here, if this is a real email, what we're sending, we put the blog post link. So I'm just going to go down and do my website link, just for example, like we did before, the last one. We're not going to paste it directly. We have to link it. So we click link up here, and we place it in this bar. Green check mark to save, and there we go. Now over here, this is our first email. This is the one we're doing now, and we want to change the days. So we click this, and this is after subscribe. We want to change this to 2, so day 2, and keep this on day. And we want to keep this as same as subscription, so it matches the time. So it's exactly 2 days out from the last email that they received. Click Save Changes, and as you can see, these both say have an option for pause, which means they're both active. Okay, and then make sure you hit Done. All right, and your email is right here, and go ahead and click Add, and we just keep on going until we get through the whole sequence. I have set up, I set up 4 emails. You can do more, you can do less, and you can do them spaced out farther or every day if you like. Just be sure that if you're doing it every day or every other day that you're giving a lot of value. Like I said, free videos, training tutorials, maybe like a quiz or a free offer. Just make sure that you let your subscribers know that you really care that they succeed with whatever you're teaching them. After that, we're gonna go to subscribers, and of course we see that there's no subscribers. Go to lists, and our new list will be right here. As you can see, it'll show how many subscribers you have, how many have unsubscribed, and how many you've gotten since yesterday and unsubscribed. Go to campaigns, email sequence, and of course we have 3 in here. I didn't set this one up yet. You would see more or less depending on how many emails you have in the sequence. All right, and then go to all emails, and this will show it in this view, so you can see the list, if it's sending or if it's paused. Yeah, it's a pretty cool setup. Mailingboss, like I said in previous videos, it's unlimited lists, unlimited subscribers on your list, and you can send out unlimited emails, so that you can use for your clients or for yourself. So with that said, I just want to thank you for watching this video, and in later trainings in the future, we're going to go more of a deep dive into Mailingboss and Builderall. So thanks again for watching, and have a great day.